Hey guys, how's it going? How to fix Revid AI video sync issues. So oftentimes the video sync problems causes by it involves addressing problems with audio or video alignment, right? So basically first check the video and check for the problem, right? And after you play the video, if you saw something that didn't align with the text or sorry, the subtitles or the basically the text with the narration, you could just go ahead and pause and you can edit the video on your desktop only, and you can replace that clip with other clip or replace that image with other image, right? You can replace it right here, something like that, right? So you can change the place, right? You can add the previous photo back there, right? And then do that with the other images because it's combination of images. So you can see right here the video and that you changes, right? So basically do the same thing with the images and replace their places, and you're gonna be able to fix that problem. And after you finish, you could just go ahead and click the frames right here to check on the frames, and you're gonna be able to see if it matches the the goal of the video, right? You can see right here the first right here the first frame, serene morning. You can replace it or change its place. Same goes for the editing. Basically, you could just go ahead and drag it, right? And can add that text somewhere like afterwards, right? So basically, after you finish, you could just go ahead and hit export at the top, right? Make sure that you export that project with high resolution, right? And make sure that you select the high compression so you can get the best out of the video. So that's been on the comments of this video. Hope you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.